So the idea is to elevate the general public's awareness about clinical trials such that if they became ill or they have a friend, a loved one who's ill, that it comes to mind, hey, we need to look into the possibility or the option of clinical trials. It may not be right now, it might be right later, but just elevating the public's awareness about clinical trials. What's the end result if we were successful in doing that? It would be that we would increase the speed at which medical innovation occurs, not only in America, but for the world. Every new treatment that we have, every treatment we have available today had to go through a clinical trial. Yet you heard the data that Amanda presented that said clinical trials are not filling. Some sites fail to enroll one patient in a clinical trial that they have open there. So elevating the public's awareness about clinical trials will, without a doubt, change that paradigm. And so the roadmap is what the federal government is already doing and already has done. If you think about national campaigns, we've had lots of them. You know, I remember as a kid, you know, a campaign to stop littering. And it was a constant, you know, commercials that went on for an extended period of time. And it became the culture that you just didn't throw stuff out of your car, you know, littering. In the medical, you know, area, the campaign Donate Life transformed organ donation in our nation. Now we have the option to sign an organ donor card on our driver's license. The idea to have a conversation with family about being an organ donor, the need for organ donation. So a federal appropriation, a national investment to elevate the public's awareness about the need for and the benefit of organ donation worked. It worked in our nation. There's still a need for more organ donors. It wasn't the problem solved, but the campaign clearly worked. The situation today is far better than when before that campaign started. And so that campaign really lays out a nice roadmap for us to accomplish the very same thing for our nation, in fact, for the world, around clinical trials.